The murder case against Limpopo comedian and socialite Livhuwani Madadzhe has been postponed to tomorrow at the Thohoyandou Magistrate Court in Limpopo. He's accused of killing his 33-year-old partner at their home in Mangodi village outside Thohoyandou on Saturday. Our reporter Pimani Baloyi has more for us.
Against the 38-year-old man, Livhuwani Madadzhe, has been postponed to tomorrow here at the Thohoyandou Magistrate Court in Limpopo. Madadzhe was arrested on Saturday after he allegedly went to the Thohoyandou police station to report that his life partner, Miss Lindelani Nongovela, had been missing. He had not located her for some time. What we understand from the police then apprehended him and went to the house where they stayed together, where they allegedly found Miss Nongovela's body in a pit that had been dug in order to build a toilet. What we understand is that that pit was full of water at the time. We're not yet sure how Miss Nongovela died and if she had bruising on her body, but her partner, Mr. Livhuwani Madadzhe, who is well known here in Limpopo as a comedian but also as a social media influencer, was immediately arrested. He made his first court appearance inside the court behind me, where he indicated that he had gotten a private legal representative, but that private legal representative would only be present here tomorrow to represent him in court. And he also was quite emotional in court, stating that he had been cooperating with the investigating officer in this case, where he stated that he handed over both his phone and that of the deceased, and that he had given them the passwords to both phones, but further stating that there was also CCTV footage that proved his innocence, saying that he wanted to be released on bail to ensure that he goes home and ensure that the deceased get a decent burial and send off. To speak more about this case, I'm joined by the NPA spokesperson here in Limpopo, Ms. Ha-Sidou. Ha-Sidou, thank you so much for speaking to us. A very emotional court. We've seen the courtroom is packed to capacity. Residents from that village are here. Give us the details of this case. What is actually happening? What case do you have against the accused?
At this stage, as a state, we've got a prima facie case against the accused. We've learned over the weekend that the complainant has passed on. After on Friday, the complainant and the accused appeared in the magistrate of Thohoyandou for mediation. The state was ready to transfer the matter to the trial court. Unfortunately, the deceased approached the prosecution for the process of mediation.
Before we go any further, mediation for what, Ha-Sidou? Was there a case between the two of them?
The mediation is the agreement between the two parties that they are no longer going to continue with the case, and then the deceased told the prosecution that she has forgiven the husband.
Was this a case of assault?
It was the case of assault with intent to cause grievous bodily harm, not common assault.